everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to install and configure WSUS, Windows Server Update Services, on Windows Server 2025. By the end, you'll have a fully working WSUS server ready to manage Windows updates across your network. Let's get started. Open Server Manager, click on Manage, then add roles and features. Choose role-based or feature-based installation, select your server, and check Windows Server Update Services. Click Next, add required features, and proceed. Choose a folder where updates will be stored. Make sure it has enough free disk space, ideally 100 gigabytes or more depending on the updates you plan to keep. Click Next and begin the installation. This may take a few minutes. Choose a folder where updates will be stored. Make sure it has enough free disk space, ideally 100 gigabytes or more depending on the updates you plan to keep. Click Next and begin the installation. This may take a few minutes. Once installed, go back to Server Manager and click the notification flag to complete the WSUS configuration. This will launch the WSUS configuration wizard. Here you'll specify synchronization settings, upstream server, usually Microsoft Update, and languages. In the wizard, choose which Microsoft products you want updates for. For example, Windows 11, Windows Server 2025, or Microsoft Office. Then select classifications, such as critical updates, security updates, and service packs. Finally, use group policy to point client machines to the WSUS server. Open the Group Policy Management console, edit or create a GPO, and under Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, Windows Components, Windows Update, specify Intranet Microsoft Update Service location, enter the URL of your WSUS server, like http:// WSUS server 8530. Clients will now start using WSUS for updates. And that's it! You've successfully installed and configured WSUS on Windows Server 2025. This setup will help you control and manage updates across your entire organization. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Windows Server tutorials. See you in the next one!